Starting by John Payton and Logan Payton. Woohoo! Logan Payton and John Payton.
Yo.
Now, Red Solo Cup is the best receptacle for barbecues, tailgates, fairs, and festivals. And you, sir, do not have a pair of testicles if you prefer drinking from glass. A Red Solo Cup is cheap and disposable. In 14 years, they are decomposable. And unlike my home, they are not foreclosable. Freddie Mac and
Good girl! That girl! That girl! This is our bird dog.
Let's have a party. Let's have a party. I love you, Red Solo Cup. I lift you up. Proceed to party. Proceed to party. Now I really love how you're easy to stack, but I really hate how you're easy to crack. Because when beer runs down in front of my back, well that, my friends, is quite yucky. But I have to admit, ladies get smitten. This name is written on you with a Sharpie when I get to hitting on them to help me get lucky. Red Solo Cup, I fill you up. Let's have a party.
Ready?
Let's have a party. I love you, Red Solo Cup. I lift you up. Proceed to party.
Sit.
Proceed to party. Now I've seen you in blue and I've seen you in yellow, but only you, Red, will do for this fella. Cause you are the Abbott to my Costello, and you are the fruit to my low. Red Solo Cup, you're more than just plastic. You're more than amazing. You're more than fantastic. And believe me that I'm not the least bit sarcastic when I look at you and say, Red Solo Cup, you're not just a cup.
She brought it back. Okay, Pickle, sit.
Friend.
She might be distracted now because I get a treat.
Thank you for being my friend.
Okay, Pickle, just go get